Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. عن عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله تعالى عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم الإيمان أن تؤمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر وتؤمن بالقدر خيره وشره. Hazrat Umar bin al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, he reports that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the requirements of faith are that thou should believe in Allah and in His angels and in His books and in His prophets and in the last day, that is the day of requital or day of judgment, and that thou should also believe in Allah's determination of good and in His determination of evil. This hadith is from the book of Muslim, and this hadith is very important in the sense that the first requirement from a Muslim is that he should believe in these 6 articles of faith. So these 6 things are called 6 articles of faith, Arkan-e-Iman. That means to believe in Allah and to believe in the angels, to believe in the books of Allah, to believe in the prophets of Allah, and then to believe in the life after death, day of judgment and hell and heaven, and also to believe in the decree of Allah about good and bad. Hazrat E04 has written, he said that to believe in angels means that all the time angels of Allah keeps on inspiring you to do good things. Time to time, at different times, you will feel some good thoughts come in your mind. They are all from angels, and Allah has appointed the angels to do that. So it's now up to you whether you accept those good thoughts or not. It's up to you. They will not force you, but they will put the good ideas, good thoughts in your mind. So the best thing is that try to follow those good ideas as quickly as possible, otherwise Shaitan will come and he will take away those good ideas from you. As far as to believe in the messengers of Allah is concerned, from Adam alayhi salam up to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then after him, according to the prophecies of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah Ta'ala has sent Hazrat Imam Mahdi alayhi salam, who is also the promised Messiah, and also Nabiullah, the word which Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself has used in the book of Muslim. So to believe in all of them is necessary. If we reject any one of them, it means we have rejected all of them. And then the last point is about believing in the decree of Allah. Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Sani radhiyallahu ta'ala, the second Khalifa, Hazrat Bashir Mahmud Ahmad Sahib, has written in one place that one simple meaning of believing in the decree of Allah is that every good action will have good result and every bad action will have bad result. So with this understanding you should do your actions. That whatever you do, it will have a result. If it is a good deed, it will have good results. If it is a bad deed, it will have bad results. Anything.